Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Insight. 40 miles per gallon, smooth ride, performance, exterior, interior. Honda Insight has it all and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, FWD. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.